Specifically at Glencore, we are a primary chrome miner. So we are miners. Then we take the chrome and we convert that into ferrochrome, and that's where the beneficiation comes from. So, and people sometimes ask me, why don't they just close down all the smelters and just export the ore? Because I'm going to make more money. And I can tell you that's the truth. And that means the more I mine, the more I can take PGMs out of the chrome. So for me, that's quite a big revenue stream that's coming back to us. So as you know, if you mine PGMs, chrome is a byproduct. If you mine chrome, PGMs is a byproduct. And both have got massive amounts of value. And the same as what the platinum players are saying, that the chrome content, the ones that we stole apparently a few years ago, actually is a major revenue stream for the PGM guys, the same as us. I can tell you now, without that PGM offset, we are also under pressure. Especially if you compare primary miners or primary producers versus UG2 producers. That's where the big gap is. Because all the UG2 guys are now